You need to build a real-time voice application but don't want the headache of managing phone lines and carrier networks? Exploding head, that's where the Vonage Voice API comes in, giving you powerful, programmable voice features right inside your app. Today, we're cutting through the noise and getting straight to the point. How do you integrate Vonage Voice API with your application? I'm going to walk you through the 3 core steps to go from 0 to voice-enabled in minutes. Let's dive in. 1. Set up your Vonage application and credentials. First things first, you need a Vonage account. Once you're signed up and logged into your Vonage dashboard, you'll need to create a dedicated application. This is the heart of your voice solution. On the Applications page, click Create a new application. Give it a memorable name and, most importantly, enable the voice capability. When you create the app, Vonage generates a public key and a private key. You'll need to download that private key file and store it securely. You'll also get an application ID. These 3, the API key/secret from your main account, and the application ID/private key, are your unique credentials that authorize your app to control calls. 2. Configure your webhooks. The Vonage Voice API works by directing calls to a webhook URL you specify. Think of a webhook as a digital concierge for your calls. When someone calls your Vonage number, or your app initiates a call, Vonage sends a request to this URL. You'll need 2 main webhooks. The answer URL. This is the URL Vonage hits the moment a call is answered. Your server must respond with a call control object, or NCCO. An NCCO is just a simple JSON array that tells Vonage exactly what to do with the call, like playing a text-to-speech message, recording the call, or connecting it to another phone number or a WebSocket. For example, your NCCO might say, Action, Talk, Text. Welcome to my integrated voice app. The event URL. This webhook receives notifications about the call's lifecycle. Things like when the call starts, ends, if it fails, or if the user presses a key, DTMF. It's essential for logging and tracking call metrics. Pro tip: if your app is running locally during development, you'll need a tool like Grok to expose your local server to a public URL so Vonage can send requests to your webhooks. 3. Link a Vonage number. You've got your application set up and your server is ready with its webhooks. The final step is to give your app a phone number. Head to the Numbers section of your dashboard, purchase a new number, and then link it to the Vonage application you just created. Now, when a user calls that number, Vonage knows exactly which application's answer URL to hit, and your application takes over the call flow using the NCCOs. That's it. You've successfully established the programmable backbone for your voice application. You can now use one of the Vonage server SDKs like Node.js, Python, or Java to easily build out the full functionality, whether it's a simple click-to-call, a complex IVR, or voice notifications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.